There appears to be friction in the Mahavikas Aghadi alliance in Maharashtra. Formed of alliance partners Shiv Sena, Congress and NCP, the latest flashpoint between them is the citizenship laws and the census exercises. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray today said that the Citizenship Amendment Act and the National Register of Citizens are two different things. While assuring people that the NRC will never be implemented in Maharashtra, he said people have nothing to fear from the CAA. He also added that he will personally monitor the columns of the National Population Register and there shouldn't be any problem with that exercise. Defending the NPR, he said it's a form of census which takes place every 10 years. Remember, the Shiv Sena had supported the Citizenship Amendment Bill in the Lok Sabha but walked out during voting in the Rajya Sabha. Then, exposing friction within the Mahavikas Aghadi alliance, partner NCP and its chief Sharad Pawar said that as far as the CAA is concerned, the NCP stands its ground. The NCP voted against the act in the parliament. Earlier, the flashpoint between the three alliance partners was over the Elgar Parishad probe. Addressing the briefing today, Thackeray said that he had allowed the NIA to take over the Elgar Parishad case, but the Bhima Koregaon case that involves Dalits was not being probed by the national agency. Reportedly, inflammatory speeches were made at Elgar Parishad conclave on December 31, 2017, which led to violence at the Koregaon Bhima War Memorial the next day. The Congress and the NCP had challenged the Shiv Sena chief, Uddhav Thackeray, over this as well.